Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get a step-by-step guide on how to make $5,000 per month or more on YouTube re-uploading videos. And no, this is not Creative Commons. Anybody can do this. You don't need any prior experience. You don't need any fancy equipment. I'm going to share with you 3 profitable niches and how much money these channels are making and how you can do exactly the same thing. So I'm excited to share this information with you. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Make money on YouTube, and we're getting started right now. Okay, the first step, of course, is to create a YouTube channel with a Gmail account. If you already have a YouTube channel, you can click on Settings, upper right-hand corner, and then Create New Channel. It's super simple to do. Then you want to make sure you have a banner. You can have it created for you on Fiverr. You have to pay for that, of course. Canva is free. I did this one for my brand new YouTube channel myself in Canva. And then another place you can go is 99designs.com. You can create a contest in there and have designers create different designs, and then you pick the one that you like the best. But have it clear what your channel is about. And you also want to have a good profile picture, which is this picture right here. You could go to fiverr.com and get one created for $5 to $10 if you want to have it done professionally. And then the next thing you're going to do is to pick a niche. And these are some profitable niches: psychology, financial, luxury, top 10, tech, meditation, and music. And these other 3 are the ones that we're going to talk about today: health, animals, and statistics. Let me give you some examples of these channels. The first one being health. This is a really great example of a channel that would be easy to do something very similar. It's called Natural Cures. You can see they have over 3 million subscribers. If we go to their Social Blade stats, this will show you approximately how much they make every month. And I would say it would be pretty much halfway in between here. So right around $5,000 a month they're making from ads. And if we take a look at the videos, they're very easy to do. They are stock video of whatever it is that they're talking about. And then there's a voiceover, and you can have text in there as well. So very easy to do with this software I'm going to share with you here in just a minute. And then if we take a look at their most popular video on this channel, you can see that it was 3 years ago, but they have 29 million views on this particular video, and it's only 3 minutes long. And basically it's just a picture of garlic throughout the video, and there's voiceover and there's text, and they're talking about garlic and why you should put it under your pillow. It's supposed to help you with sleep. But if you figure out the amount of money that they made from this one video, it's right around $90,000. So this is a really, really popular channel, and I would definitely take a look at this if you're interested in the health niche. The next channel is in the animal niche. So we're going to take a look at this one here. It's called Animal Wised. And this one here, if we look at the Social Blade stats, they make, I would say, right around $6,000 or $7,000 a month. It can be higher than that, but right around there. And then their channel is, of course, about animals, but it's very similar in that they play video of whatever they're talking about, whatever cat, or this is mostly about cats. Then they have voiceover, and these are very easy to duplicate as well with the software I'm going to share with you. And then if we take a look at their most popular videos, I'm going to click on right here, sort by most popular. That is 5 million views, so they don't have quite as many views as the other channel, but still that's a lot of views. And so I would take a look at this one if you're interested in the animal niche. And then the last one is in the statistics niche. Now, there are a lot of people who have channels like this, but it's very, very popular. And basically what they're doing is taking statistics and putting it in a software. I'll show you that here in a minute. And having a time lapse, and then they have music with it. And you can see that, let's take a look at their most popular videos on this channel. Is 3.5 million views just 7 months ago. And let's take a look at how much they're making approximately every month. So I would say this one here is right around $5,000 at least a month, and that's just through Google AdSense. So those are some really great examples if you want to get into those 3 niches, which are very profitable niches. Before we get on to the third step, if you are enjoying this content, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. And that way we can hang out again and talk about affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, and money manifestation. So number 3 is you want to get yourself some content, at least 30 videos. And I would say find at least 10 channels in your niche that are performing well. And like we were doing just a minute ago, you want to find the most popular video. But I would say do that within the last 30 days, because those videos that we're looking at, they were really old. They were 2 to 3 years old. So we want to find ones that are more recent. So if we go to, let's go to natural cures, and we're just going to click on videos, and then we're going to see, just scroll down and see in the last couple 3 weeks which videos are doing the best, like that are doing a lot more than their other videos. Now I don't see any that really stand out on this channel, except for maybe this one here that's got more views. But if you could find a video that, let's say, had 100,000 views and all the other ones are 6,000 to 20,000, then I would say that would be a great video to model after. You can also go up here to trending, and if it's a fairly recent video, then you can model after that video. Like this one here, it's fairly recent. Now this one is trending because they just put it up a day ago, but 2.7 million views 7 months ago. Put a clove of garlic inside the toilet at night for this brilliant reason. That would be a very good one to model after, the content and the title. And that one's only 2 minutes, around 2 minutes long. So you can do that. And those are ways that you want to come up with 30 titles that you want to model after. And then you can look at the content on there as well. Of course, you're not going to copy it, but do something very similar to what you're already seeing. And that's exactly, I mean, some people will say, oh, you don't want to go out and copy people's videos. That's exactly what these channels are doing to become so popular. They're working with the algorithm. These are topics that are already proven to get views, and you're just modeling after those videos, because you don't want to try to reinvent the wheel and not get any views to your videos. Okay, so to create the video, let's talk about some software. Well, first of all, Pexels and Pixabay are places that you can go to get free video stock and images. So if you go to Pexels, and let's just say we're going to do a video about a dog, like the top 10 top smartest dogs, you could go in here and just type in Doberman. That was one of them. That was the smartest dogs. And then you can see all the different videos in here. Now you want to make sure, most of these you can get, like this is a free download. Some of them will say you have to credit them, but they're free. So you could get videos in here for whatever dog that your video is about. And then same thing with Pixabay. You can come in here and choose videos and stock images. And then I want to share with you InVideo.io. This is an incredibly powerful software. And I have a friend who just started a YouTube channel in the health niche, and she uses this. It's super, super easy to do. And what you'll do is there's pre-made templates. So if you scroll down, you can see all these templates, and you just pick a template. They have all the stock footage, images and videos that you can just upload here. And this is like an editor as well. And then you can do the voiceover yourself, or there's a place that you can upload the voiceover. And then something that's really cool is article to video. And you could go out and find articles. Obviously, you don't want to copy the article because that's copyright, but you could rewrite things in your own words, and then you just upload the article, and this software will make it into a video. So it will break up the text and just make it into a coherent video with pictures and everything. So it knows what the subject is, and it inserts the pictures and everything. It's Really, really easy to use. And then of course you could do a blank template, but I would really recommend this software because you can get it for free. And then the thing with the free is that it does have the watermark on it, but if you get the annual, it's like $10 a month, so it's not very expensive at all. And I would highly recommend that. To find music, you could go to youtube.com audio library. And if we take a look here, I think it's easiest to search if you go upper right hand corner where it says audio library classic, and then you could just come in and search for sound effects or free music to use. You can search by the genre here, and then just download it here. InVideo has audio in there and music, so you can just insert that into the video. If you do use Camtasia like I do, they do have an audio library. It's not free, but it is a really good library of images and video. Before we get on to the fifth step, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. And then the second link will be this webinar if you want to learn more in depth on how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Check that out. It'll be the second link in the description below the video. Okay, so the fifth thing you want to do is to optimize your video. After you have it all created, you want to use your keywords in the beginning of your title, in the description, and also in the tags. Now I want to share with you something really powerful as far as the tags. You want to use the same, what they call metadata, in your title, your description, and the tags of every single one of your videos on a certain topic. Let me explain to you what that means. So if you use the same tags, like let's say my tags were make money online, how to make money from home, just an example, there should be around 10 to 20. And you use those same tags in the description and also in your channel tags. What's going to happen is you're going to start to show up in your own suggested section on the right hand side. Let me show you. If we go to an incognito window here and we're going to look at my channel, when you watch one of my videos,
good grammar and spelling,
I show up here. Another one of my videos shows up here on the top and in the suggestions section over here rather than someone else's video. So then what happens is people can go in a viral loop of watching your videos if you do that strategy that I'm talking about. If you don't understand it, make sure you leave a comment below because it's kind of hard to explain in a video without showing you exactly how to do it, but I can do that in another video if you'd like. Super powerful. Also, you want to have winning thumbnails, and you can create them in canva.com or paint.net. But I would just take a look at whatever channels you're going to be modeling after. Just see what their winning thumbnails are like. These are have really great images on them, and people, click on it because of the image and because of the title. And again, the software you can use is InVideo. I wanted to mention to you Ribbit.com is you can create a photo collage. So if you want to do that for your thumbnails, that is a really great software. You can get that for free. You can edit photos, create a collage, and again, you can do that for completely free. Flourish.studio is where you can go to create statistic videos. If you want to do a statistics channel, you can see that's where they go right here, and create videos from this software. And then openshot.org is a free software that you can edit all of your videos in. And then the sixth step would be to apply to monetize your videos with Google AdSense. And you need a Google AdSense account. You're going to have to apply for that. And then you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And you want to make sure you create long videos to get that watch time. But you need your videos to be at least 8 minutes or longer to place ads inside the video. So you can place an ad at the beginning, at the end, but if it's not 8 minutes long, that's all you can do. But if it's 8 minutes long, you can insert one in the middle of the video. So that way you can get more ad revenue. You can also monetize before you get Google AdSense. And I made a lot of money before I ever got monetized with affiliate links. And you can go to ClickBank, Digistore24, and also Amazon Associates, and do that for completely free, and put those in the description below your video and have a call to action at end of your video. If you want to learn more about dog training, click the first link in the description below the video or something like that, because you don't want to leave that out. That's another great income stream besides Google AdSense. So now I wanted to share with you some tips on how to go viral. I have 8 YouTube courses. So I take the best of what I learned from those, and I want to share with you some of the things that I've learned. The first thing to go viral, and you want to make sure you have a click-through rate above 6%, and therefore you want to have a winning thumbnail, because if you have a bad thumbnail, people are not going to click on it. And I see a lot of thumbnails out there that could be really improved, but I'll share with you my best thumbnail is this one right here. You can see it has a 10.8% click-through rate. So this is one of my best thumbnails, and you can see having an image of myself, and the writing is very easy to read. You don't want to have too much writing on there. I see that with a lot of people, and because a lot of people are looking at it on their mobile phone, and you want it to be large and easy to read. And then also don't have the writing on the right hand side, because the timestamp will cover up the writing. So you want the image on the right and the writing on the left. The other thing is you want to have a high average view duration. That means how long does someone watch compared to how long the video is. And the person I learned this from said if you can have it 60% and have your click-through rate above 6%, then you have a very, very good chance of going viral. And mine are not that long. This is a good, let's see this one here. If we go on reach, actually if we go on engagement, that's 35% average view duration. So if you can get it even higher than that, that's better. And the other thing that he said, as far as the average view duration, how to get people to watch your videos longer, obviously you want to have a really good video, but jump cuts will keep viewers engaged. A jump cut is a cut in filming editing in which a single continuous sequential shot of a subject is broken into 2 parts, with a piece of footage being removed in order to render the effect of jumping forwards in time. So camera positions of the subject and the remaining pieces of the footage of the sequence should vary only slightly in order to achieve the effect. So basically people have a hard time concentrating. So the jump cuts will help them stay engaged. So those are the things that I have learned will help your videos go viral. Congratulations if you made it this far into the video. Let's continue the learning with this next video coming up. 10 video ideas to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.